Welcome to JSA TV, your virtual newsroom for telecom professionals. Joining us here today, we're honored to have Mr. Ambrose McNevin. He is the Editor-in-Chief of DatacenterDynamics FOCUS Magazine. Ambrose, welcome to JSA TV again.
Hi, Jaymie. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here. This is your second part two of a series that we're doing here at JSA TV, where we're really getting a preview, an insider's look into what's coming up in the latest issue. And today we're talking about issue 31, which is hot off the presses, and it's taking a real good look at big builds, data center construction projects that are making headlines. So can you give us any more details there?
Sure. What we focused on in issue 31 was some of the major construction projects that are going on in the world, and we also covered modularity, virtualization, software-defined networking, and infrastructure management. The major builds that we covered included that from Portugal Telecom and its brand new mega-scale data center in the city of Covilhã, of which more later. And on the software-defined networking coverage, we spoke to some of the startups in Silicon Valley, those that are really shaking up the networking industry, companies such as Arista and Pika 8. On the virtualization front, we spoke with VMware CTO Mark Strong, who told us about the future of virtualization and what we can expect there. We also spoke with Cisco's Sanjeev Nirvana, who spoke about network function virtualization. And it was there'll be a technical deep dive into what was happening and what Cisco is doing in that space. Elsewhere, we spoke directly to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange on why it chose to finance, build, and operate its own data center. This in a territory where land is sparse, power is expensive, and connectivity is at a premium. And the other things we covered from an infrastructure perspective was how Equinix essentially rescued a 12-year-old data center in Singapore by investing in DCIM technology, and how it managed to extract modern type efficiencies from an aging asset. Wonderful.
A lot in that issue, certainly, and one to definitely look out for. Tell us, what can we also look for in the coming year from DatacenterDynamics FOCUS Magazine?
The last issue of the year, which will be in November and December for our publication timeframe, will cover DatacenterDynamics London event, which is one of our flagship events, or our flagship event, which runs in the 20th and 21st of November. At that event, we will have Microsoft's Christian Beladi, we will have Tim Furlong from Facebook talking about the cloud-scale data center strategies that those companies are deploying. So we will have coverage of those people, individuals, and what their presentations will be. We will also be talking and covering hybrid cloud strategies. So how companies are using cloud services to change their data center investment strategies. Examples are a major UK construction company called Balfour Beatty, which is an 11 billion pound global construction company, and how it has tiered its applications to reflect the mission criticality, the performance and availability requirements, and how it has deployed those assets across different layers of infrastructure, being those owner-managed data centers, being outsourced into the cloud, or being put into third-party colo, and the type of tiered outsourcing approach that it has taken. Also covered will be a case study on how Pearson, the global education and publishing company, best known for owning publishing the Financial Times, has rationalized its approach to telecoms. So again, it has looked at basically where all of its traffic is going from around the world, and what carriers it's choosing to use, what networks it's choosing to put those applications across, and really how it has rationalized its approach to telecoms in order to derive greater value while maintaining its required levels of performance and availability.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ambrose. So tell us, for our viewers who are watching this and really want to get their hands on an upcoming issue, whether it's in print or digital, where can they go?
First port of call is the website, which is datacenterdynamics.com. Just simply click on magazine, and the current and all previous editions of the magazine are available. I should say, if you have any Spanish or Portuguese language viewers, we also have focus in Espanol and Portuguese, which covers companies such as Level 3 and Telefonica in great detail. So those magazines are available in digital format there. And finally, there is the iPad version of the publication. Again, this is a new development for us. We have recently launched this focus onto this new platform. So simply go to the App Store and search for DCD Focus, and please download.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Ambrose, for your time again here on JSA TV. We are avid readers of DatacenterDynamics Focus Magazine and love what you guys are doing there. And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to JSA TV.